Hi. I guess we'll call this one tips and tricks. Everybody's got a single edge razor blade or they can find one. This is a piece of hardwood that I did a hacksaw cut in. The handle or the dull end of the straight edge single edge razor slides right in. It's a tight fit, so it's best to clamp the blade in a vise, and then you can hammer the wood onto it, and it holds very well, and it makes a pretty good scraper that doesn't cost much. I'm sure everybody has a scummy packed up stone, and one of the ways to clean it, you can use an ultrasonic cleaner. That might do a better job than this, I don't know. But if you don't have one of those, you can take some wet or dry sandpaper. I've got a piece of glass here to support the cheap Chinese wet or dry. And then canola oil. Now, other references to the stuff claims that it's a very good lubricant. One of the steam engine guys on YouTube mixes steam oil with canola oil and uses that as a pretty much universal lubricant. But I found that straight canola oil works pretty good for a lot of things. I've been using it in my little oil cans here and there, and I don't find any problems with it. Now you can see I put some oil on this wet or dry, and you can put a little oil underneath to help the wet or dry stick. I don't see how that does it, but it's some people claim it does. Anyways, so I've got 150 grit wet or dry here with some oil and my packed up oil stone. This one's not very packed up because I've done this already, but I'm demonstrating for you. This also tends to flatten the oil stone if it's sway backed from use. Takes more off the high end, but it cleans the stone up pretty well. You can hear it working, and you can sit someplace in the evening watching TV and cleaning up your oil stone. One of the things I'd like to do is get a pair of precision ground oil stones like they've been showing on some of the YouTube channels. I think that's an excellent idea, but I don't have a surface grinder. Anyways, there you go. Just keep working it, and you can see by examination that it cleans up pretty well. Anyways, there you go. That's tip one. I'll set this aside. Simple green. Pretty good stuff. If you want it to work better, you add some ammonia. Household ammonia. The truth is, I've been using Simple Green for a lot of things. Since my washing machine broke and I haven't picked one up yet, I've been doing my clothes by hand. Which, I'm a single guy. You can't ask your wife to do them by hand. But the Simple Green, diluted in some hot water, does a pretty good job of cleaning your clothes. So anyways, that's about it. I can't think of anything else. Oh, I bought a cheap diamond coated needle file set from China. You can see that it's only part way covered. I don't understand why they didn't go all the way with it, and it's real coarse. And I don't know whether it's diamonds or what, but the typical set gives you all the shapes, you know, square, round, triangular, flat. There's a knife blade in here. There's curved. There's a round. And the knife edge is pretty thick on the sharp end. But hey, you get what you pay for. Let's face it. If you want good stuff, you're going to pay the price. So that's about it.